Hello players, welcome back. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. It's a little different. I'm trying out something. So today we have this gentleman. He goes by the name of Emmanuel Bludo. He's playing some things. Okay. I'm going to stop talking and play it again so you get to see what he's doing. Okay, so let's try and break that pattern down. So if you take it the way it is and just slow down on YouTube, I bet a lot of you know how to slow down on YouTube. If you find something that is too fast, you just slow it down. Let's slow it down. We can see from this that it's a ghost note pattern, and he's doing something like this. When you hear it really fast, it sounds like he's doing a whole bunch of things, but it's not really a lot of things. He's just playing one single pattern and he's spreading it around. So basically what he's doing is so it's right, left, left. But obviously he's not playing it like this. He's playing with some ghost notes. Like I say, ghost notes are important. They are always important. So with ghost notes, it's like this. So let's play it again so you get to see. He plays on the snare, then he spreads it out, and then he spreads it out, then he crashes. So that's what we are doing here. He puts kicks in it, but let's just do with the snare and the tom so you get to understand. So the accent goes on the tom. So he does it on the snare, then he goes to the tom. So you have to work on it for it to get faster, because at the slow form, it doesn't really sound like much. It's when you speed it up that it starts to sound good. That's basically it. Now it's just how you separate it with the kick and the ending part. But this on its own can be a chop that you just use to figure out your life when you're playing drums. Let me give you an example. So let's go with the metronome and put it at, hold on. Let's put the metronome at, say, 93, right? I hope it kind of makes sense now. So the pattern is just so what I'm doing is I'm putting the kick in between everything so that it makes more sense. But we can just do it's a pattern, so however you want to play it is cool. So let me break down exactly what he played. Then maybe if you want to use just that, then we play this. Okay, that is nice. Okay, So let me break this down the way it is so you get it. So we do 2 hits on the kick, then the pattern on the snare, then 1 hit on the kick, then separating the two. Then we do the same thing here. Let's play that part. That's it. So then he ends with this. So the entire thing, it becomes. And if you listen to it, it sounds just like that. I'm not making stuff up. I'm not. And you can play this. You can play this. Okay? So just practice it. I think it'll be okay. So I hope you got something from this lesson. I hope it inspired you to go try out this pattern. And if you do, leave a comment down below. Let me know how it is going. And yeah, this is your boy Jaystiqs. Thank you so much for watching. Download my app, the Drum Chop Smooth app. It's for saving patterns like this on your phone, wherever you are, and you can learn them and practice them later. When you get the idea, you save it on your phone, then you practice later. It's amazing. Try it out. The link is down in the description below. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every time there's a new video. And I'll see you later, God willing, in another video. This is your boy Jaystiqs. And stick with it. Stick with it. Peace.